about his pain. And if 1 in 10 could be that brave, I would never hate again. And he's one more arrow flying through the air. One more arrow landing in a shady spot somewhere where the days and nights blend into one, and he can always feel the sun. What? What are you doing? I'm singing Elton John. That's awesome. Hey, everybody. Bonjour. And welcome back to the show. Should I just get started? Yeah. All right. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, over here, looking just cute. Get out of here, will you? The star of the show, NANABOOZHOO. Ikadon Boozhoo, Weenie Mooshane. Say hello, sweetheart. Okay, Boozhoo, Gakina. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the show. And then over here, of course, the rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Ikadon Boozhoo, Michael. Say hello. Hey, Boozhoo, everyone. Welcome to the show. Thanks for being here. And yeah, let's get this party started. Hey, Sagame's here. Boozhoo, Sagame. We missed you last night. We missed Sagame last night, huh? Yeah, we sure did. And Brandy Marie. Brandy goes, morning. Was just thinking about you, my dear friends. Well, here we are. Mino Gigaje, Brandy Marie. And thank you so much once again for the support. Thank you for our little card in the mail. It's a bright spot of our month. We appreciate it, and we appreciate the gift cards. Me quetch. Dr. Evils, Boozhoo, Dr. Evils. Did you know Dr. Evils is here? Well, I do now. Hey, Boozhoo, Dr. Evils. Yeah. So, today is Ishkwa Anima A Keisha Good. It is after prayer day or Monday. Monday, la 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 dee da dee dee dum. And it's just another manic Monday, la dee dum. It's just another Ishkwa Anima A Keisha Good. It's just another manic after prayer day. Hey, did we title this right? What do you mean? I think the title of today's show is something like, it's just another manic after prayer day. Yeah, that's right. I hope we did that right. Ishkwa Anima A Gisha Good. And Mino Giga Shabe. Good morning. It's just another manic Monday. Tell me why I don't like Mondays. Tell me why I don't like Mondays. I'm gonna shoot the whole day down. I Don't Like Mondays was a song by a band called the Boomtown Rats. Boomtown Rats. I think they were from like England or somewhere. Lead singer was, what was his name? Bob Geldof. Bob Geldof. Tell me why I don't like Mondays. And I guess he wrote that song after there was a news story back in the 70s somewhere. It was one of these random shooters got up in a bell tower or somewhere and just started shooting people. When the cops finally got him, they're like, why did you do this thing? Why did you do this horrible thing? And he just said, I don't like Mondays. It's like, well, for crying out loud, nobody does. You don't go shooting up the town. I mean, it's crazy, huh? Yeah. Tell me why. Oh, and you know what else? We got to do a correction, sweetie. Yeah, would you do that? Sure. Last night on the stream, sometimes we don't really check the Ojibwe spellings and stuff. And we were like, hey, happy spring, everybody. I hope the radio show has the right word. I think it does. Man. So once a week we do a radio show for KA. I shouldn't even say the call letters because we might have screwed up this week. Once a week we do a word of the day for KAXE, KBXE, Community Radio in northern Minnesota. It's probably already run. It comes on Monday mornings. And this week, our word of the day was Ziguan, spring. And we did a whole kind of jokey thing that we did last night about it being the new year, in the Ojibwe, the new seasonal year. You know, oh, springtime, it's the beginning of the year, of the seasons. But for some reason, we mixed up Ziguan and Nibin and said spring was Zebin. I was like, wait. And even while we were teaching it last, I was like, Zebin. What is a Zebin? Zebin? Zebun? What am I thinking of? It just didn't sound right. So, Ziguan is spring. And yesterday was the first day of spring. And it sure seems like it. The sun's back. It's warming up. The birds are returning. It's just life is starting to come. I mean, there's still snow, but a lot has melted already. Yeah, it won't be long. And then Nibin is summer. Summertime, 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 Nibin, summer. And then after summer is Dugwagon. Beware of Doug. Remember, A's are sounds, and two A's are like in father. So we say Dugwagon, and G's are always G. Dugwagon, fall or autumn, and then back to baboon, winter, baboon. And these are the seasons of the year. For everything, turn. What's that song? I don't know. La 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 la. Do 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 do. Daniel, let's Sage Black is back. BOOZHOO, Daniel. Daniel's here. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, Daniel. What's going on, my brother? My brother from another mother. Jim Dunn. Good morning, everyone. It's fish smoking day. Don't you know smoking is bad for you? Why don't you smoke cigarettes? Jim is smoking a fish again today. I know. He loves to roll his own fish. I'll eat fish, but I'm never going to smoke a fish. I mean, come on. You can't even get high off that. I don't know. Just kidding. Have fun. Wigglebutt Farm. Good morning, Wigglebutt. And Dr. Evil says, how do you keep the papers from getting wet? Yeah. How do you light it when when you're smoking a fish? Okay. Anyway, sweetie, you want to get up here? I could get up there. I think I'm going to turn the microphone over to Ace Frehley. Shock me. No. I'm going to let Nanaboozhoo get up here. But first, here's a little... Nanaboozhoo will return after these messages. No. What am I doing over here now? I just thought he would look better over there. Well, I see the teleporter's still working. Yeah. Okay, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. And that was OJIBERISH by the rock star cartoonist Michael Lyons. Coffee table book because it's too big for the back of the toilet. Yeah. So, what should I talk about? I can talk about the 7 grandfather teachings. 7 grandfather teachings. Should I lay down some wisdom from the elders? Mukwa, a bear. We were talking about Mukwa the other day. The bear. Hey, Mukwa. Mukwa. Oh, let him sleep. Okay. Mukwa, the bear, he should be getting up. It's springtime. He doesn't need to hibernate anymore. Yeah. But Mukwa, hey, you know what, sweetie? What's that? There's no sound in the fireplace. There we go. I had to turn up the ambiance. The ambiance. Yeah. Mukwa. Mukwa Nindo Deum. Bear Clan. I am Bear Clan. Bear is my clan or whatever. Actually, mine's not. What is your clan? I was Sussy. Bullhead. You are bullheaded. No, like the little fish. Bullhead. I'm part of the Gagoon. I'm one of the Gagoons. I'm one of the fish clan. But anyway, Mukwa. But in the 7 grandfather teachings, Mukwa, he represents Aqua De Ewen, courage. Right there. And what can I say about courage? It takes a lot of courage to teach about the 7 grandfather teachings. Ni joa sui mashomis kikanu amange. The 7 grandfather teachings are like the 7 values of the Anishinaabe. You got your respect, humility, wisdom, honesty, truth, love, and courage. Mukwa, bear, Akwade. And back in the days of the grandfathers, they would say, hey, quit being such a coward. No, they didn't. Yeah, they did. Say, come on. Gotta have courage. You gotta be brave. Like Baloo was. Ah, remember that scene? Yeah. In the Jungle Book. They make you think Baloo, that big blue bear, died fighting Shere Khan, the tiger. And Bagheera, the Black Panther. After the battle's over, Baloo's lying there and what's his name? Mowgli. His little buddy runs over there and goes, get up, Baloo, get up, wake up, got to get up. And he doesn't want to accept he's dead. And Bagheera comes over and goes, you got to be brave, like Baloo was. You're going to make yourself cry? I just did. It's so insane. I just think about that scene in the Jungle Book and it brings a tear to my eye. And he goes, was? Like Baloo was. Courage. You got to be brave, like Baloo the bear. This is why the Anishinaabe have chosen the bear. Because you see, back in the days of the grandfathers, they saw that movie, The Jungle Book. And they learned, no, they didn't. Yeah, they saw The Jungle Book and they were like, oh, it's just a bare necessities. And they wrote that song. And then they said, you know what, let's make that part of our 7 grandfather teachings. The Nij, Waswi, Mishomis, Kikanu, Manange, or something. What is it? I don't even know how to say it. Kikanu, Amange. And so, I guess that's my advice to the kids today. You got to be brave, like Baloo was. This is no time for cowards, sweetie. Nope. We're in the middle of a World War III and a worldwide pandemic. Yep. And the transpocalypse. And the transpocalypse, for crying out loud. Everybody's turning trans. And, we're all going to die. And the earth is dying. That's what I saw in the news. Yeah, huh? This is no time to panic. When is a good time to panic? I'll let you know. For now, have courage. And this has been your Ojibwe Moment of Culture and the 7 grandfather teachings. I don't know, sweetie. Aren't you into this today? Well, I mean, I like hanging out with you. I like the fire. Feeling pretty pieced out and chilled. But, yeah, I don't know. What should I talk about? I should talk about current events. Should I talk about the current events? Are the cops looking for the Olsen twins yet? What do you mean? Or at least one of them. The Olsen twins from Full House, I think they killed Bob Saget. Don't say that! That's slander or libel or something. You could get the channel taken down. Yeah, I know. But people forget that, remember when the Joker died? When Heath Ledger died? Yeah, when Heath Ledger died, first thing they did was call Kate Olsen. Maybe it was Ashley Olsen. Kate and Ashley. One of them. For some reason, Heath Ledger, national treasure, the Joker himself, he dies mysteriously from a drug overdose with pills he got from one of the Olsen twins. Then, turn around 10, 20 years later, or whatever it's been, and she strikes again. Only this time it's Bob Saget in a hotel room with the baseball bat covered in towels. In towels? Why towels? Well, that's the most recent thing I heard. They said, they keep changing the story. At first he slipped in the bathroom, hit his head on the marble floor. And they said, no, he slipped in bed, hit it in the back of the headboard. Then they were like, he slipped in. Now they're saying he slipped and hit his head on the carpeting because the wound was similar to something hitting against something padded. And I'm like, you mean like maybe I think they got to him at night in the hotel room and did the old army sheeting him in bed. Got a bunch of the towels, wrapped a bat with towels and duct tape, and hit him super hard on the back of the head. And so it didn't leave marks, but it crashed his head. But that's why it's so strange. And then they cleaned it up and got out of there. Ninja style. But I think my conspiracy theory is it was Kate Olsen in ninja clothing doing all that. There's no way Kate Olsen could kill somebody. She's not strong enough to pick up a bat. Yeah, you're right. She couldn't pick up a bat. You've seen her arms? She looks like a little skeleton. Anyway, rest in peace, Bob Saget. We'll miss your unique brand of pedophile humor. The more I see of Bob Saget's stand-up comedy, the less I care that he's dead. Really? Oh, the guy was the worst. Those jokes just aren't funny when you've actually been a guy on a TV show that takes baths with little babies. You know, everywhere you look, everywhere you go, the Olsen twins are gonna have the last laugh. Kate Olsen's got a gun. The Olsen twins are on the run. Everybody. What did Bob Saget do? It's Kate and Ashley's last IOU. Because when Katie was arrested, they found him in a hotel. So that's what I know about current events. Bob Saget's still dead. Sorry, I know this is dark. Gwen's not into this dark humor. Gwen Carly? Bonjour, Gwen. Hey, Gwen. Tesoros de Tomas. Bonjour, Tesoros. Bonjour, Niji. Tesoros is here, sweetie. Well, bonjour, my brother from another mother. Nah. Is he your brother from another mother? That's the way I think of him. Tesoros de Tomas. La 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 la. Hoka hey, hoka hey hey. Hey, sweetie. Yeah? You want to take a call? A telephone call? That's the only kind we take. Okay. What line? Line 2. Hello, caller. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. Well, hey there, NANABOOZHOO. It's me. It's Dr. Biden. Hey, Hunter. How you doing, sweetie? It's Hunter Biden. Well, hi, Hunter. How are you? I am high. I am so high. I'm as high as the clouds. I got up early this morning. I started to smoke my crickety crack. Now I'm high a crack and I'm flying. Oh, Hunter, you really got to take stock in yourself. Yeah. Hunter, it's not funny anymore. Come on, man, join the party. I'm partying in a Super 8 motel here. I got my laptop here, and I got some crickety crackety, and later on, I'm going to call a prostitute, and I'm going to make another baby. Hey, that's right, you have a baby, don't you? Yeah, I got a brand new baby. My baby's only like a year or two old. I made that baby with a stripper. Yeah, they always call her a dancer or something, like she wasn't just a prostitute. Yeah, you know, we're a happy family. It's me, my little baby, my I call her my stripper baby. Your stripper baby? Yeah, it was hilarious. And then I got my stepkids with my brother's wife. Oh yeah, you married your brother's your sister-in-law for some reason. Yeah, and you know, it's a full house. It is a full house. Let me tell you that. You know, everywhere you look, everywhere you go. Oh, hey, hold on here. I think he's smoking crack again. No, man, I'm straight. I'm good. Oh, that tickles the spine. Hunter, what do you want? I was wondering if I could learn the Ojibwe word of the day. No, come on, I learn Ojibwe word of the day. It's party time. I learn Ojibwe. All right, hang on. Mukwa's bear. Bear, mukwa, bear. You know, I was bare naked in some pictures here. You want to see them? No, I put them on my laptop. I got some M&Ms down by my privates. No, I don't want to see those pictures again. All right. Bear. Mukwa. What's the other one? Akwede. A win. Akwede. A win. Means courage. Courage. Akwede. A win. Courage. You know what? I got courage. I'm going to have an art show. I'm going to show my paintings. And it takes a lot of courage to show your artwork. You know, you put yourself out there. You're vulnerable. You got to have Akwede. A win. Yep. If you want to share your art, if you want to do anything creative, you have to have courage. That's a good point, Hunter. Thank you for putting that up. You know, Hunter knows something about art too. Yeah, he does. How was the old art career? I'm a millionaire. I made $1 million off some Saudi princes. They bought my paintings, and I sold them for thousands, hundreds, thousand. I just a lot. Hey, you want to meet my daddy? No. You can meet my daddy. He's the big man. You can meet my daddy. Just put me on the board of trustees or something. We don't have a board of trustees. Well, you got to give me some millions of dollars. I don't want to give you millions. I don't have millions of dollars. Well, then you can't meet my dad. I don't want to meet your dad. Well, fine. Hey, how you say, shut up, I'm going away? Well, we don't say that. We say, I will see you again, Hunter. Giga min. Minawa. Giga min, minawa, nanaboozhoo. Hey, Natasha. Yeah? Giga min, minawa. Giga min, minawa, Hunter. And good luck to you. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm not fine. I gotta go. All right. Ugh, Hunter Biden. He's a mess, but he's kind of funny. You think he's funny? That's a cry for help. Well, what are you gonna do? He's not gonna do anything. He's never gonna change. What if he went? We know what we should do. We should have him on Intervention. Have him on the TV show? Yeah, I'd watch an Intervention with Hunter Biden. Get Joe up there and his stripper baby's mom. You know, set him down in a room with that guy with the mustache. Hunter, you know, I'm here with your family and your sister-in-law wife and your stripper baby mama and your crack dealer and your art dealer and the board of whatever Ukrainian oil company you were part of. We've all come here together to talk to you. We hope you will accept this gift. And they all read little letters. Hunter, your alcoholism and drug abuse have affected me in the following ways. I had to lie while I was running for president. You know, you made me call Donald Trump a clown, even though you were the one who was partying with strippers, smoking crack. I mean, come on. And then, you know, they move on to other people. The stripper, you know. Hunter, your drug abuse has affected me in the following ways. You know, you won't even come visit your child, your little baby you made with me. A poor drug-addicted, sex-trafficked stripper that you impregnated. And welcome back to our children's show. What are we doing? I don't know. There's no way that's only been half an hour. Has it really only been half an hour? I feel like I've been on for longer than that. But yes, this is only half an hour. I've already said a handful of things I can get this YouTube channel taken down. Or totally alienate all our viewers who are Hunter Biden fans. I mean, I don't know. That ain't cool. Mukwa bear. It's just the bare necessities. La-di-da-di-da-di-dum. Sweetie, have you ever loved somebody who didn't love you back? No, pretty much everyone loves me. Okay. The rest of us on planet Earth, once in a while, you know, you'll find yourself with what they call unrequited love. You love somebody, but they don't love you. You know, it's like a love-hate relationship. And sometimes it's not even hate, but, you know, that person just, for whatever reason, you're not good enough. Today I'd like to talk about unrequited love. Because Michael and I sang a song written by Bonnie Raitt. In the song, Bonnie Raitt talks about, I think it's Bonnie Raitt. Yeah. Bonnie Raitt. It's not Bonnie Raitt, is it? I can't make you love me if you don't. I think it's Bonnie Raitt. Who else would it be? Yeah, it's Bonnie Raitt. I can't make you love me if you don't. Sometimes in a relationship, you know, it just gets played out. You've been with the person for years. And you love them. But you can tell. You know when somebody's cooled. You know, they don't laugh at your jokes anymore. They're more interested in other people than you. Maybe they even cheated on you. You don't know. There comes that last night before you break up. And sometimes the breakup isn't like in the movies. You know, it isn't throwing a dish across the wall, getting angry. Sometimes it's just giving up. You go, you know what? I can't make you love me if you don't. That's kind of how I kind of feel about the people who come to our show and they come here and they hate learning Ojibwe. They go, you know what? I don't want to learn Ojibwe. Why do you keep wasting my time with your stupid little live stream? Your jokes aren't funny, Nanaboozhoo. Your Ojibwe is lame. Zibin does not mean spring. You made that up. It's Ziguan is spring. Nibin is summer. Well, some people just aren't going to love us, sweetie. That's just a sad fact of life. Yeah. So here's a song about people who just, sometimes they just don't love you. And there ain't a thing you can do about it. It says, I can't make you love me if you don't. Okay. And up next, the lovely and the talented Natasha. You gonna throw me up there again? Yeah. I got nothing to say. Turn down the lights, turn down the bed, turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me closely and don't patronize. Don't patronize me, 'cause I can make you love me. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart. I'll feel the power that you don't. No, you won't. 'Cause I can make you love me if you don't. If you don't. I'll close my eyes, then I won't see the love you don't feel when you're holding me. Morning will come, I'll do what's right, la-dee-dee-dum, and I'll give up this fight. 'Cause I can make you love me if you don't. You can make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart, and I feel the power that you don't. I can't make you love me if you don't. If you don't. If you don't. If you don't. Sweetie. Oh, Michael, you're just, I don't know, you're a virtuoso.
Yeah, you are.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the guitar, Michael Lyons.
Yay!
And I can't make you love me if you don't. I've tried.
I've tried. Put you in a headlock. I've begged. I've pleaded. Oh, please love me. But I can't make you love me if you don't. So what do you want me to do about it?
Nothing. You want to take a call?
Sure, I'll take a call. On line 2?
Yep.
Hello, caller. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air.
Hey, yo, Natasha, how you doing?
Well, hi, Sylvester Stallone. Sweetie, it's Sylvester Stallone.
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO Rocky. You can call me Sly. How you doing, Nana BOOZHOO? I'm doing great. Say, Natasha.
Yeah, what's going on, Sly?
Did you know my real name was Michael?
I just learned that. Did you know that, Michael? NANABOOZHOO?
What's that?
Sylvester Stallone's real first name is Michael.
I never knew that.
Yeah, Michael Sylvester Stallone. So, Mike, what's going on?
You can call me Sly.
Okay, Sly.
Yeah, I was wondering if I could learn the Ojibwe. You know, the Ojibwe word of the day.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, I was wondering if you wouldn't mind too much telling me what the word for Monday was.
Well, I'd be happy to. Ishkwa anima e gisha good.
Ishkwa anima e gisha good. After prayer day or Monday.
Yeah, after prayer day.
Yeah, you know, every time I'd go toe to toe with Apollo Cree,
Yeah.
I'd always say a prayer. I get down, you know, I'm Catholic.
Oh, that's right. The Italian stallion is Catholic.
Yeah, that's right. You know, so I like to get down and I say the Lord's Prayer, and then, you know, I do that cross thing, and then I'm ready to fight. But, you know, after I went toe to toe with Apollo Cree, you know, it knocked me around, and I think it knocked a screw loose.
You think it knocked a screw loose?
Screws fall out all the time. The world's an imperfect place. You know, that's what I said in one of my movies.
No, that's a line from The Breakfast Club.
Yeah, I was in that. Remember that? When I had to fight Ali Sheedy for the title round?
No, you're getting me confused. You were in Rocky. You fought Apollo Cree.
No, I fought Ali Sheedy. You know, she was always drinking vodka wherever. And I was all like, hey, yo, Ali Sheedy, you know. You can't go around blaming other people for your problems, you know. You can't go pointing your fingers, you know, because that's loser talk. And that ain't you. You're better than that. You know, I told her that. You know why?
Why?
Because that's how winning's done.
Oh, that's right. That is how winning's done. But again, that was The Breakfast Club, and you weren't in that. And at least she didn't fight anybody.
Is that right?
Yeah.
You know, I got knocked around pretty hard in the ring, and sometimes my brain it don't work so well.
Yeah. Well, that's okay.
Yeah. You ever see you know, Muhammad Ali at the end?
Did he die?
Yeah, I think so. But you know, like half his face was all falling off his skull and that. You know, because he got knocked around like me. You know, I went toe to toe in the ring with Apollo Cree. And sometimes my brain, it don't work so good.
I know. Listen, Sylvester, I better get going.
Yeah, okay. Well, I'll just say, you know, I'll see you again in Ojibwe.
Well, we say, Giga wabba min, minawa.
Listen, Natasha. Giga wabba min, minawa.
Yeah, you too, Sly.
Yo, Nanaboozhoo. Yeah, what's up? Giga wabba min, minawa. You too, Sly. Giga wabba min, minawa. Yeah, forget about it.
Okay, see ya, buddy. Sylvester Stallone.
Yeah, he's great.
I know. He might have a screw loose. He thinks he's in the Breakfast Club. But, everyone gets old. Everyone's gotta go sometime. Is Ali dead?
Muhammad Ali? I want to say yes. But I don't know for sure.
Did Muhammad Ali die, you guys? I'm sorry. Clearly not much of a fan if I don't know if he's alive or dead. But he was something else. La la la, do do do, hoka hey, and I can't make you love me if you don't. But yeah, I found out this week that Sylvester Stallone's first name is actually Michael. Like you, rockstar cartoonist.
That's right.
Did you know Michael Lyons wasn't just a rock star? He was also a cartoonist. Yeah, Michael Lyons but illustrated the coloring book. In English, Ojibwe coloring book. It's got pictures to color. And you can learn Ojibwe words and phrases. And then there's, of course, mixed blood. Ooh, mixed blood. I'm so scared of vampires. But it's about a little Wisakode Winini. Little mixed-blooded elf vampire. Goes to boarding school. Runs away. Meets up with an alien. Yeah, as you do. And, Little Cutie is really that's probably my favorite book. What's your favorite book of the ones Michael's done?
I kind of like the comic books myself.
Oh yeah, the comics are good too. Suicidal Skunk. What was the other one?
Grief Relief.
Grief Relief. But I like this one. This is a story of a little teddy bear. And it's kind of for ages, what would you say? Well, Michael, let me ask you. Michael, what age group is Little Cutie for?
It's really for any age group. I think the tone of the story is sort of the same age as whatever Winnie the Pooh is.
Oh, okay.
And but the narration isn't simple, like for little kid readers, But it's a short story. It's illustrated, and it's if somebody likes Little Cutie in those stories, they'll probably or Winnie the Pooh in those stories, they'll like Little Cutie.
Okay. So Little Cutie is essentially a story. Do you mind if I tell them what it's about?
No, go ahead.
When Michael Lyons was a little boy, he had a red and white teddy bear called Little Cutie. And in this story, Little Cutie actually belongs to a girl named Aubrey. I should have pulled up a picture. But Aubrey's getting to that age. She's like 6 or 7 or something. 8. And Little Cutie overhears the adults saying, "Isn't Aubrey getting kind of old for stuffed animals?" But she's still playing with stuff. Oh, it's weird. And he feels like, I'm going to have to move out on my own. Aubrey's outgrowing me. So he goes out to live with the real bears in the old res dump. But he doesn't do that. On the way, he keeps bumping into woodland animals. And they all have Ojibwe names. There's a Jidamu, the squirrel, Wagosh, the fox, Bakaakwe, the chicken, Jagog, the skunk, Mimengwa, the butterfly, Migazi, the eagle. Man, he meets a lot of animals. But he goes to the woods, and one by one, he meets up with these animals, and they already know Little Cutie, and they just love him. But they all hate each other.
Each time they see him, like, oh, little cutie, I'm so happy to see you. And he'll be like, oh yeah, I was just talking to the fox. I'll be like, oh, I hate that guy. He always steals our eggs or whatever. You know, Ajitamu, when he leaves the human's house, he sees a squirrel. And the squirrel asks him, what are you doing here, buddy? He goes, oh, I'm moving out of the house. And Ajitamu's all like, yeah, good. I'll be honest with you, I never knew how you could live with them humans in the first place. I don't let them within 20 feet of me. And so the animals all kind of badmouth each other, but they all love little cutie. And they keep telling him, well, you got to go talk to the Great Spirit. Go on a vision quest. And so he goes out and while he's looking for the Great Spirit, he learns something about himself. And he does eventually meet the Great Spirit, who plays guitar, and he's hanging out with an alien. It's pretty funny. But anyway, so Little Cutie is a story that, a third grader would like, but an adult would probably read it to the third grader. And then there's the coloring book. And all mixed blood. Thought we had another one. Oh yeah, BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. And then this is a picture book. It's for like a kindergartner or younger. It's just big pictures of woodland animals, and BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO means hello, squirrel. And the squirrel just walks through the woods going, hello, sun. Hello, chickadee. Hello, butterfly. And they're all like, hello, BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. BOOZHOO Jesus. Oh, BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. So it's real simple. And then he gets halfway through the book and he sees a UFO. He sees a spaceship come crashing in. And then, he doesn't crash, it just lands. And who's there? Steven, the alien. And they go on a joyride out in outer space, even though it's fake. But then it comes back, and then we teach the word for Gigawabaman Minawa, Steven. Gigawabaman Minawa, Jitamu. He has a little joyride. But it's a pretty cool little book. BOOZHOO Jitamu. They're on sale at Amazon.com. Amazon.com. Gwen Carly says, my niece loves all the books. Oh, that's awesome. Michael, Gwen's nieces have the books.
Hey, me Gwench, Gwen.
I love hearing stuff like that. Sunny day, la 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 la. A-okay, and I'm on my way.
Hey, sweetie.
Yeah?
You want to take another call?
Well, sure, I'll take another call. Line 2?
Yep.
Caller, you're on the air. Welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast.
Hello, Natasha.
Well, hello, Benjamin Button baby.
I'm glad you remembered. I don't need to explain again why I can speak so well.
Sweetie, it's a baby who has Benjamin Button disease. And, he's got an old voice, but he's like a little baby.
Hey there, baby with Benjamin Button disease.
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO.
Hey, that's the name of the show.
Yes, I know. NANABOOZHOO, Natasha. You may call me Anishinaabe, Abinujians. Indian, baby.
Anishinaabe, Abinujians. All right. So what's going on? What can I do for you today?
Heil Hitler.
What?
Wanted to say Heil Hitler. The Third Reich will rise again.
Don't say that. That's not funny.
I am rather conservative in my political views. It is the way of the Anishinaabe.
No, it's not. You're just being old, and I think you're trying to gaslight some people.
Maybe it's true. Natasha,
Yeah?
I wonder if I can ask you, what is the Ojibwe word of the day?
Well, we were talking about the 7 grandfather teachings, which I think Mishomis is sometimes spelled Mishumis. Anyway, Nijwasui Mishomis Kikanu Amunge. The 7 grandfather teachings.
Yes, I remember when we wrote those 7 grandfather teachings.
Oh, are you really that old?
Yes. You see, I have the Benjamin Button disease.
Yeah, I know.
You see, instead of getting older, I actually get younger.
Yeah, we all saw the movie.
Because, in my way, even though I look like a baby, I'm indeed quite old.
Okay.
Heil Hitler!
Again, shut up with that.
No, look at my hand. I'm clearly a white supremacist.
No, you're not. You're a baby stereotype.
How dare you speak to your elders in such a way?
Listen, Abenugians. I gotta go.
All right. Gigawabamin. Minowa.
Oh, you know the language?
Of course. I'm an Indian elder. Gigawabamin. Minowa, Nanaboozhoo. Yeah, you too, baby. Don't call me baby. I was fighting the white man when you were still in short pants. Short pants? You know what I mean.
Kikawabamin, Minowa, baby. Baby.
That's what I call you.
I know you do. Anyway, yeah. So Benjamin Button disease or no, there's no excuse for that. What's going on over here? Never mind what you saw over there. Never mind. Benny Baby is gonna die. Yeah, he is. One thing I don't tolerate is intolerance. Let's kill all the intolerant. Let's kill all the tolerant. Murder all the racists. Murder all the, It's come full circle now. Where the, hippie give peace a chance. They're like, well, we gave it a chance. Now we're going to stomp out our oppressors. It's time for revolution. You say you want a revolution. Well, we don't want to change the world.
Sweetie, you know my rule.
What?
What is the one rule of the house where I always put my foot down?
No John Lennon singing?
No John Lennon singing.
You can't tell me what to do.
Yeah, but you know I hate John Lennon.
I know you do. But you're not the only one. Nah. John Lennon. They say I'm a dreamer. But I'm not the only one. And my heart's a gold. You know who I think is a much better singer than John Lennon?
Vince Neil.
Vince Neil, thank you. I had to run away high so I wouldn't come home low. Just wait when things went right. Doesn't mean they're always wrong. Just take this song and you'll never be left alone. Although, have you heard him lately?
Yeah, it's horrible.
He sounds like comical. He's so bad now. He's the one that calls that can feel good. He's what to you all right. He's the one that calls that can feel good. All right. Yep, all our 80s rock stars are dying. Where is Eddie Van Halen now? Is he running with the devil? Running with the devil. I don't know. You never close your eyes.
That's hardly an 80s rock song.
I know. anymore when I kiss your lips. And yeah, so what did we learn today? Ishqua anima egg, you good. It's after prayer day or Monday. It's just another manic after prayer day. Zigwan, Nibin, Dugwagon, Baboon. The seasons of the year. And finally, Makwa, Bear, Aquade, Ewan. Courage, got to be brave. Like Baloo was. And make NANABOOZHOO just cry.
I know, it's so embarrassing.
You cry at Disney movies. I don't think I can be with you anymore. Hey, no, really. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I was dating a man, not a baby. No, I'm just kidding.
I know.
Oh, my stars. Anyway, and so, hey, maybe I should go outside.
Do we have an outside teleporter place?
No. I could go to the living room.
You want to be teleported to the living room?
Yeah. Would you teleport me to the living room?
Sure.
I'm going to go out to the living room and say a little prayer. No offense, sweetie, but I kind of want to be alone with the Creator for a minute. Normally I'd go outside, but once again, we didn't plan for the show. Unless...
You think we should?
No. No, I don't. Yeah, just send me to the living room.
All right, locking in on your coordinates.
I'm going to get teleported.
All right, 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. No. And here I am on the living room. We have a number of fires going at once in the house. I mean, I know it's spring, but it's still a little chilly in the morning, so we, you know, it makes it cozy in here. So, I'm going to grab a little tobacco, and I'll put it out later. What am I going to say? Get you, Manadu. Otapana niwi asema. Great Spirit, accept my tobacco. Meaning, listen to my prayer. Bizendao ni anama e. Get you, Manadu. Tika we tuka wishin ando in a way nungum. Help me to speak well today. Mikwach kaishi kakina keku. Kaishi chikeya nungum. Thank you for everything you do today. Mikwach kaishi waybuck. Thank you for the weather. Mikwach kaishi gishakuk. Thank you for this day. Mikwach kaishi bamadaziyan. And thank you for my life. Ni mino bamadaziyan, my good life. Mikwach kaishi kage ni kashkenda moen. Thank you for healing my grief. Mikwach bizendawi egg. Thank you for listening. Ape inge. Amen. And mikwach for the house. The roof didn't even leak this spring. All the snow and the ice melted off the roof. And it happened so fast that sometimes it melts over here. Or it drips. You can't see it yet, but you know. Our ceiling has like gross water spots. And, you know, falling, what's that white stuff called on the ceiling? Plaster, whatever.
Hey, Natasha, can you say a prayer for my little black dog, Bella? Oh, no. She died last week and she had more love in her lizard-like tongue than most people have in their whole body. Tesoros, I'm so sorry for your loss. Yeah, I'll say a prayer for her. You know, it's a picture of Princess. That was my kitty who died. And when Princess died, it broke my heart. Just talking about it sometimes, and when other people tell me that they lost a pet, it's like it opens an old wound. And then, I mean, I seriously totally get it. I'm sympathetic. It's a different kind of grief than anything else. So my sympathies go with you. Yeah, let me go find some place good to say a little prayer. Someplace pretty. Because you know what I can do? I know. Sometimes our teleporter can teleport not just to other places, but to other places in time. So I want to go someplace warm and pretty. If I can find it. Here we go.
Okay.
Hi, sweetie.
Hey, what's going on?
I was wondering, can you do me a favor?
Sure.
Would you teleport me back in time to like last spring or summer or whatever? To that flowery place?
Oh, yeah, sure. Hang on, let me just switch the coordinates.
I don't know if this is going to work or not. Probably won't. But who cares?
All right, one to teleport.
Thank you, sweetie.
Hang on.
Make it so. Oh, okay, here we go.
Okay.
Hi, sweetie.
Did you make it?
Yep, I'm back in time in a really pretty meadow.
All right. Why don't you say a prayer for a little, what's the name of the dog?
Bella.
Oh, Bella. Okay. Put out some tobacco for Bella.
All right. The same tobacco. Get you, Manadu. Ngrum noon. Today I pray for Bella, little black dog whose name means beautiful. I'm sure she was. You know, in the Anishinaabe way, they tell us when a person dies, try not to cry for 3 days. Try not to say their name. Lots of times the Ojibwe people burn a fire for 3 days and 3 nights. They call it spirit letting. Because the thinking is if you cry too much, if it doesn't look like you're going to be okay, the spirit's not going to want to go on. And I think that's true for animals especially. It's okay to cry, to grieve. But you gotta, if you're gonna cry, it doesn't hurt to maybe go out and, okay, great. I ruined the illusion, I'm sorry. Hang on.
Work with me here. So, what was I saying? Oh, sometimes what I've done is I'll go out and I'll put a little tobacco and I'll say a little prayer, but then I'll just start talking to the spirit of the person who passed away. In this case, it's Bella. So, BOOZHOO, Bella, if you're still around, or if they have YouTube in doggy heaven, I hope you're there. No, but I mean, it's important. I can't say it for you, but if you feel like Bella's spirit is still around, still in your house, and it might cause you to want to cry, you might feel Bella's weight and prints on your mattress. In the middle of the night, you're going to go, is that my dog? And you go, no, that was her spirit. Remind her that it's okay that she goes on to Gagikwe Minawanagozi, the land of everlasting happiness. No, I'm sorry. Gagikwe Minawanagozi Gay Winning. Gagikwe Minawanagozi Gay Winning. The land of everlasting happiness. Or Ishpaming, heaven. The happy hunting grounds, whatever you want to call it. But today, this morning, from P.S., my second prayer. Bejigo Anuma A, second prayer. Kichimanadu. Tika. Great Spirit, please help. Little Bella on her way. Let her know that her humans are going to be okay in time. And that if they're crying, that it's just because they loved her so much. But that she should still go on. Bella's just going... Remember how excited Bella would get if you want to go on a car ride? You want to go for a ride? Go nuts. Well, that's what it's like when puppies pass away. God's there. Great Spirits are going, come on, you want to go for a ride? And it is the most joyous thing for a puppy to go on to the happy hunting grounds. But Ichimanadu, please also be with Teseros de Tomas. It's hard when loved ones leave before us. It's harder than dying. So today, Odapanani we asema, accept my tobacco. And I would humbly ask that you be with Teseros and his family and anybody else who's grieving the loss of little Bella. And help them to remember that it's only for now. And that you'll be reunited again. Ape Inge. Oh, so pretty. You shouldn't be so sad when you're sitting in such a pretty place. I'm not sad. But sometimes my heart kind of melts when I think about sad stuff. Looking out on the morning rain, I used to feel so uninspired until the day I met you. Life was so unkind. Your love was my peace of mind.
Okay.
Hi, sweetie.
Hey, you ready to come back? Ready to come back?
Yeah, would you mind picking me up?
Not at all. Hang on, I'm scanning for your coordinates.
All right.
1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1.
All right, hang on.
Hi.
Hi. How is it outside?
Outside and in the past, it is gorgeous. I was in this flowery meadow from last summer.
Yeah. Well, it's right around the corner. It'll be like that again.
Yeah. Got kind of sentimental when I was sitting out there.
Really?
Yeah, it was weird. I got triggered by the beautiful scenery.
Yeah.
Anyway, hang in there, Tesardos. Daniel Bloodback says, work calls, gotta go. Bum a pee, Daniel. Get back to work, you slacker. Mindy Moya says, good journey, Bella. Yeah, have a good journey, Bella. Sharilla says, Anamosh Ishbeming for Bella. Dog heaven for Bella. Yep. All dogs go to heaven. Not to take away from your kindness, but... Chaz Norcross. BOOZHOO Chaz.
Chaz Norcross is here?
The one and only.
Okay, BOOZHOO Chaz.
Yeah, nice to see you. Well, sweetie, I don't know. You want to go for a walk?
Yeah, let's go for a walk around the block. Want to go to Country Kitchen?
I'd love to go to Country Kitchen.
We'll go for a nice long walk. We'll end up at Country Kitchen. Hey, we can watch the replay while we have our breakfast.
That's a great idea. We're going to go to Country Kitchen, get some eggs, and watch the replay of the show. Want to say miigwech? Pisatawi egg. Thank you for listening. Tush, miigwech, ganawabi egg. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO.
Okay, hey.
This is Michael Lyons.
Hey, everyone.
And I will see you again. Gigawaba min. Minowa. Sweetie pie.
One to teleport.
Make it so, number one. See you tomorrow. Isn't it working?
Oh, I'm sorry. Hang on. Push the button, wiggle it, jiggle, and hold it at the same time. Here we go.